Okay, it can be really hard to keep cool in this extreme heat, especially what happens when you get stuck on the side of the road.
That's why experts tell us it is never too late to get your car ready for the summer. At Good Works Auto Repair, it's located in Tempe, owner Glen wants to make sure your car or truck can stand up to that summer heat. He tells us to make sure and check and also replace windshield wipers. They're cheap, he says, and most automotive shops and stores will install them for you for free. Also, take a look at your battery. If corrosion is starting to form on the top of it, it is time to get it checked out.
Yeah, and those batteries don't last too much here in Arizona anyway because the AC is blasting basically year-round. Also, take a look at your radiator fluid, too. If it's getting low, make sure to use a 50-50 blend. That's a mix of radiator fluid and purified water to keep deposits from forming in your cooling system. You're also going to want to make sure your belts and hoses are checked for wear and tear.
And down in here you can see some of these cracks that are starting to form. This belt is starting to wear out. As I turn this belt, you can see the cracks appearing here. And as those crack deeper and deeper, it'll eventually shred this belt and it'll leave you stranded somewhere, or could leave you stranded in a very short time, because your alternator, your air conditioning system, and your power steering and everything run off that particular belt. So it's important to have those things checked, have them replaced before you take a long trip, because it could leave you stranded.
Oh, yeah. That happened to me a few years ago. Yeah, I heard some flapping in the engine. I said, what's that? Belt shredded to pieces. So Glenn tells us getting your car checked by a good mechanic should be inexpensive. And in the end, it could really save you thousands of dollars.
While we continue to deal with our heat, parts of